Hi there, this isn't so much a trip report because there was not much of a trip to report about. This was just a helicopter ride we took from Mumbai to Shilim. We flew on Victor Tango Roger Bravo Golf, and it was a Bell Jet Ranger 206 helicopter. A great ride because Mumbai's main runway 927 was not being used. It's being resurfaced right now. We could fly right over Juhu Beach and then over Yari Road and Bandstand and the Sea Link and over Worli before hanging a left right over Mahalakshmi Racecourse to head towards JNPT. You can see some great views of Mumbai, and I'm really sorry, I should have hung my GoPro to the window, attached it, sorry. It would have been a much better video, but I shot this on my iPhone. I have an iPhone 2 SE, it's not even a fancy iPhone. I have an iPhone 2 SE because I like the fingerprint scanner, but we'll get to that later. And it was amazing views. You can see the skyscrapers, you can see great views of the ceiling, and you get to see the entire city. It's a huge city. I mean, you don't get to realize the scale of Mumbai. You can also see work happening on Metro Line 3, which has the reason why so much of South Bombay is clogged up with traffic right now. And you can also see very fancy apartments living right next to the slums of Mumbai. It was a fantastic ride. Thank you so much to the captain for flying us. We flew at about 500 feet AGL over Mumbai and transitioned to about 3,500 feet AGL once we crossed JNPT and started headed towards Shilim. On the way from Mumbai to Shilim, we pretty much tracked the expressway for much of the path before coming in a bit over Ambi Valley side and coming into Shilim from above. Great views. Thank you for watching. Do be sure to like this video. I'm sure you will like this video, and do subscribe to my channel for more such amazing aviation and automotive content. Thanks again. Thank you for watching. I really appreciate it.